The reproductive system. First is the human male reproductive system. Reproductive glands are called the testes and are located outside the body in a cavity pouch called the scrotum. A temperature lower than 37 degrees is required for the development of a sperm. A sperm develops in the testes and subniferous tubules, travel to the epididymis and are stored, travel through the vas deferens and enter the urethra. Testosterone is necessary for the production of a sperm. The human female reproductive system. Egg cells are produced in the ovaries. Inside each ovary are oocytes, which are immature eggs. The egg travels through the oviduct, a tube that connects to the uterus, the cervix and the lower, and the uterus has a narrow opening into the vagina, which leads to the outside of the female's body. Estrogen and progesterone are steroid hormones made by cells in ovaries. The anterior pituitary gland also produces LH and FSH. The length of the menstrual cycle can vary from 23 days to 33 days. The cycle can be divided into 3 phases: the flow phase, the follicular phase, and the luteal phase. Fertilization is the process of a sperm joining with an egg. The sperm and eggs are each haploid and normally has 23 chromosomes. Fertilization restores the diploid number 46 chromosomes. The function is to reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which organisms make more organisms like themselves. But even though the reproductive system is essential to keeping a species alive, unlike the other body systems, it's not essential to keeping an individual alive. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease that can affect both men and women. It can cause infections in the genitals, rectum, and throat. It's a very common infection, especially among young people ages 15 to 24 years. IVM, or in vitro maturation, is a new technique that allows egg removed from the women that are still immature and are matured in their laboratory. Increases success in reproduction. So, did you know the tip of each sperm is a specialized lysosome called an acrosome that awakens the plasma membrane surrounding the egg? So, in the early stages, the fertilized egg is called zygote. Around 30 hours after fertilization, the zygote undergoes the first mitosis and cell division. By the third day, the embryo, called morula, leaves the oviduct and enters the uterus.